Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Plants vs. Zombies Gatling Peashooter in the Friday Night Funkin' style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the helmet. Let's start with a straight line across the top here. And then on the end, let's curve it down and then back up to the left like this. Now on both ends, let's draw a curve upwards. And now let's follow the same curve all the way along, connecting the two lines. Now let's start above on the top right, and we're going to step in slightly, and we're going to draw a curve up and then down to the left side for the top of the helmet. And lastly, inside, let's draw two black circles here like this. Next, underneath the right side, let's step in and draw a curve down. Now let's move over to the left, and we're going to draw a curve down and to the right like this. Let's draw the mouth next. Let's start inside, and we're going to draw a curve up to the outside line, curving it back down to the bottom line. Now inside the mouth, let's draw a C-shaped curve. Next, let's add the bullet chambers inside the mouth. Starting in the center, let's draw two diagonal lines outwards like this. And now a curve at the end to close it off. And now let's erase that mouth line inside. Now from the top, let's add one more. So let's start with a diagonal line out here. And then one from the center here. Now connect the lines at the end with a curve. Now let's add one more at the bottom underneath in the same way. Next, let's erase the mouth lines inside the top and bottom chambers. Next, let's add one more behind with a curved line here like this. And lastly, let's add a black oval at the end of each of these. Let's draw the eyes next, starting with the right side. In between the mouth and the helmet, let's draw a curved line down here. And then for the other side, let's draw a line down and then angling it back down to the other line. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down to the mouth. And then one more inside. Next, let's color the eye section in black. Now for the other eye, let's move over to the left and draw an angled V shape. And then underneath, let's draw a large oval curve for the eye. And now inside, let's draw a circle in the top left. And let's color this eye in black as well. Let's draw the strap on the helmet now. Let's start underneath the helmet on the left side, and we're going to draw a curve down and over to the bottom of the head. Next, inside, towards the top, let's draw a bent line like this. Next, let's add the buckle on top. Starting in the center of the strap here, let's draw an angled line down. And now we're going to angle it back over to the right, and then back up. Next, let's erase the line inside the buckle. And now let's add one more square shape inside. Now on the right, let's add a curve for the strap underneath here. Next, let's draw the stem. Underneath the buckle, let's draw a curved rectangle shape like this. And then underneath, we're going to draw two curved lines down. Let's draw the pedal feet next. Let's start on the left side, and we're going to draw a curve towards the center and down like this. And the same thing on the right. Now above this line, we're going to draw another curve outwards on both sides. And then curves at the bottom to close off each of the feet. And that's it for this Gatling Peashooter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!